Are you discovering the contents of the fridge, little bear? You having fun there? What's gonna come out next, huh? Ketchup, maybe? You gonna see if you can hang off it? Now where are you off to? Mustard. Yummy, nummy mustard. Here's a challenge. How do you crawl with something in your hands? You are such a cute little bear. You make the best noises, bear. Exploring the gate now, are ya? Mommy should probably close the fridge if she's at all concerned about energy. Are you gonna close the fridge for Mommy? And make sure you're not inside it. Alright, we're gonna say bye-bye for now. April 2nd, 6 p.m. Just before Karis should go to bed. She's having a little side of HP. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, bear.